No.
It's like, this is so confusing. Good boy! Yeah. He understands now a bit. Good. I don't know if that counts.
Yeah. I've done it.
Good. Again. I think he gets angry, so he does it. Good boy. Does it well this time, then I'll swap the legs. Good boy. No. Come on. Good boy.
You reared there.
Huh?
Nearly rears.
Good hits.
So like, I want the treats now.
Right, let's swap legs again. Good dip. Come on.
Yeah.
Don't. Oh.
Cute.
Oh. Good boy.
No.
Good boy. I'm only treating you for good ones now.
Good.
That was good enough. Come on. Come on, you can do good ones, Dumpy.
No, that was a big bite.
Personal space. Did you try to bite me then?
Yeah. Stop, what the fuck are you doing?
Right, you stay there, boy. Stay.
He tried to cross his legs over.
Easy, tries to trap me against the fence. And
Yes, that's...
right, let's swap legs. Swap legs! Hey.